Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today is day 4 of Negroni week. And for day 4, I'm gonna dip into some of my more niche liquors that I have. So for today's Negroni, I'm gonna be using El Luchador. It is a 110 proof tequila and 100% organic with 0 additives. I'll also be adding a little bit of Vida. It's gonna add a little bit of smokiness to our cocktail and round out all the flavors. Let's get started. We're gonna start with 3/4 of an ounce or 22 mils of our Luchador Tequila. I'm gonna go 1/4 ounce or 7 mils of our Vida Mezcal. 1 ounce or 30 mils Campari. And 1 ounce or 30 mils of our Noilly Prat Vermouth Rouge. Got my big cube here. Always a mess. And stir for about 20 seconds. Drop my big cube in, double strain, right into my Libby Hickory glass. There you go. My Jalisco Negroni. Cheers to Negroni week. The tequila really comes through. Completely changes the overall flavor of the Negroni, while still keeping all that perfect balance of sweet, bitter, tangy. God damn, that's good. Getting a little bit of the smoke from the mezcal, not too much, just a little bit in the back end. Just really get a little back here. If you can't tell by now, I like Negronis. If you want to check out the rest of the Negroni week cocktails, click right there. If you want to check out some of my Sunday side dishes, click on up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.